Today at Collegiate High School, we are exploring the different pathways offered to study. Let's take a look at what the students learn about in these classes and what they provide.
My name is Shantel DiazTrigo, and I'm the automotive teacher here for PSJA. The courses that we offer here for the students are basic automotive, automotive 1, and automotive 2 technologies. The students are able to learn from the beginning of the basics, which is the fundamentals of how engines work, the brake system, suspension system, transmission system, and then as you go on level 1 and level 2, you go further in depth.
Will this class help you in the future?
This class gives me a lot of opportunities and jobs and careers in the future, and it helps a lot because I am graduating with a certification of automotive.
What is your favorite part about this class?
My favorite part of this class is that there's a lot of hands-on, like on engines and what they're like for.
My name is Dulce Garcia, and I teach the phlebotomy certification class. The students will be learning here how to collect blood from the vein and also from the capillaries, and what they will be able to get is a national certification, so they would be graduating as medical professionals.
It has helped me teach valuable lessons. I have learned many new skills like communication skills, learning skills, teamwork skills, and it's helping me in my future by using these skills and lessons to help me in the work area in healthcare.
My name is Juan Jose Contreras Jr., and I work for South Texas College, and we do the DC dual credit classes. Once they master their piping skills, they do what we call a destructive testing. They have to master that destructive testing. That way, they're well prepared whenever they go out into the industry. They take that test again, and once they pass it, they get a JOB.
The environment, the professor, he knows a lot. We all know, as a friend group, we all know a little bit of it. We all learn from each other. It'll help me in my welding career because it'll prepare me so when I go up, I know what I'm doing most of the time.
Collegiate has different career paths for every student, and we encourage you to look into them. This is Miranda Ruiz for Collegiate News.